To use the Chime Credit Builder Card, start by understanding that it is a secured credit card that helps you build credit with regular payments and responsible spending. The card is linked to your Chime checking account, making it easy to manage your finances in one place. First, ensure you have the Chime mobile app, as it is the primary tool for managing your credit builder card. Open the app and navigate to the Credit Builder Card section to view your card details, including your balance, available credit, and payment due date. To spend using your Chime Credit Builder Card, you can use it anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in-store. Since it is a secured card, your spending limit is determined by the amount of money you have in your Chime checking account, which is also your security deposit. When making a purchase, simply present your card or enter your card information online. The transaction will be deducted from your available credit, which is the same as your security deposit. For example, if you have $500 in your Chime checking account, you can spend up to $500 using your credit builder card. It is essential to make regular payments to build credit. The Chime Credit Builder Card reports your payments to the major credit bureaus, helping you establish a positive credit history. You can set up automatic payments through the Chime app to ensure you never miss a payment. To make a payment, go to the Credit Builder Card section in the app, select the payment amount, and confirm the transaction. You can pay your balance in full or make a partial payment, as long as you meet the minimum payment requirement. Best practices for using the Chime Credit Builder Card include keeping your utilization rate low, making on-time payments, and monitoring your credit score regularly. By following these guidelines and using your card responsibly, you can effectively build credit and improve your financial health over time. In summary, using the Chime Credit Builder Card is straightforward and convenient. By linking your card to your Chime checking account, making regular payments, and spending responsibly, you can build credit and achieve your financial goals.